Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video I will talk about why Samsung foldable smartphones are breaking down in cold weather. Viewers, there is no doubt that Samsung has won the race of foldable smartphones. But if you talk about the breaking down of foldable mobile phones in last couple of days, temperature in South Korea went to minus 18 degrees Celsius, and the owners of Samsung Galaxy Fold and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, they are claiming that their mobile phone got breakdown just by unfolding their devices. Viewers, it is interesting and until yet not sure that their smartphones got breakdown just because of cold weather. If you talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, Samsung used UTG ultra thin glass, which gives you more resistance against the cold weather. But Samsung has not responded yet on this breaking down of smartphones, foldable smartphones, which owners are claiming that they got breakdown just because of cold weather by unfolding their devices. So it will be interesting to see how Samsung will respond to this. I will keep you updated. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.